Oh.
Gracie, are you cooking?
What are you making? Here, put it closer.
Spaghetti salad. Can I taste your cooking? Thank you. Yum. Good job. You're not done. That's pretty good.
That's very good. What's in that one? You can put more in there? Oh. Oh, thank you.
Can I have, please? Can I try?
Can I give it to Daddy?
This one. I want this. You're not done. What?
It's not done, Daddy.
Okay. Time to eat.